Hello everyone, my name is Dheeraj Tatar, faculty of LGIT Chemical Engineering Department. In this video, I will teach you mass transfer operations part 1. So let's start. In this lecture, we will see chapter 2. Topics are diffusivity of gases and diffusivity of liquids. But before that, I will briefly inform you what we have seen in last lecture, because those things are basic for this lecture. So in last lecture, we have seen the definition of diffusion. What is definition of diffusion? In simple words, we can say molecular transport of mass from higher concentration region to the lower concentration region. That is molecular diffusion. We have seen some examples. Those are different processes involve molecular diffusions. For example, distillation, where separation of miscible liquids takes place. Second example we have seen, that is absorption, where soluble vapors absorb in liquid. So these are the examples for molecular diffusion. Molecular diffusion is nothing but application of mass transfer. Means I can say molecular diffusion is part of mass transfer. Then next, we will see today molecular diffusion in fluids. There are two diffusions. One is diffusivity of gases and second one is diffusivity of liquids. So there are various empirical relations are available for this dependency. First we will see diffusivity of gases or diffusivity in gases. So pressure diffusivity of gases is given by, see here, DAB. What is a DAB? DAB is nothing but diffusivity of component A in component B. That is inversely proportional to the pressure. And this relationship is available for moderate range of pressure, that is up to 25 atm. And temperature diffusion is according to DAB, that is also diffusivity of component A into diffusivity of component B. That is directly proportional to the temperature raised to 3 by 2. So I can say diffusivity of component A into B is inversely proportional to the pressure and directly proportional to the T raised to 3 by 2. Next, diffusivity of component in a mixture can be given by the Wilkie relation. That Wilkie relation is D1 mixture is equal to 1 upon Y2 star by D12 plus Y3 dash by D13 plus up to Yn dash by D1n. So what is meaning of this? Means what is the D1 mixture, what is the Y2 dash, what is the meaning of these terms? We should know. So D1 mixture is nothing but it is the diffusivity for component 1 in the gas mixture, and D1n is the diffusivity for the binary pair component 1 diffusing through component n, and Yn dash is the mole fraction of component n in the gas mixture. And similarly I can say Y2 dash is the mole fraction of component 2, Y3 dash is the mole fraction of component 3, similarly up to n. And how to find these terms? Y2 dash can be found with the Y2 divided by summation of all mole fractions, that is Y2 plus Y3 plus Y4 up to Yn. Next. So I told you that there are various relations for the diffusivity of gases. So first relation is Gilliland's correlation. According to this relation, DAB is equal to 0.0043 T raised to 3 by 2 upon PT in bracket VA raised to 1 by 3 plus VB raised to 1 by 3 square into under root 1 upon MA plus 1 upon MB. So what is meaning of this term? So what is the DAB? Here DAB is nothing but I told you that diffusivity of component A into B and its unit is centimeter square per second. Always remember, diffusivity is also known as a diffusivity coefficient. It is different than the diffusion flux. So in numerical, there are different terms are available, that is a diffusion flux and diffusion coefficient. Diffusion flux is nothing but Na, that will be see in next lecture. But always remember, diffusivity or diffusion coefficient are the same. That is a DAB, and its unit is centimeter square per second. Next, Ma and Mb are the molecular weight of solute and solvent respectively. So here A is the solute and B is the solvent. So molecular weight of solute is Ma and molecular weight of solvent is Mb. Next, Va and Vb. These are the volumes. We can say molecular volumes of solute and solvent. Its unit is centimeter cube per gram mole. So I told you that A is the solute and B is the solvent. So Va is nothing but molecular volume of solvent in centimeter cube per gram mole, and Vb is nothing but molecular volume of component B, and its unit is centimeter cube per gram mole. And Pt is nothing but total pressure, that is atm. Here units are very important. If numerical asked in exam based on this empirical relation, you have to convert all the term in given units. Means pressure should be in atm, V and Vb should be in centimeter cube per gram mole, and diffusivity should be in centimeter square per second. These are the experimental relation, and unit should be same as given in the relation. Next relation is Fuller relation. That is nothing but diffusivity for gases. This is second relation for gases, and according to this relation is basically for polar or non-polar nature of gases. According to this relation, DAB is equal to 0.001 T raised to 1.75 under root 1 upon Ma plus 1 upon Mb upon P in bracket summation of Va raised to 1 by 3 plus summation of Vb raised to 1 by 3 bracket square. So what is the DAB? I told you that is nothing but diffusivity of component A into B. T is nothing but temperature, that is in Kelvin. Ma is nothing but molecular volume for component A, means solute, because A is solute, and Mb is nothing but molecular volume of component B, that is solvent. And P is total pressure, that is in atm. And Va is molecular volume, Vb is molecular volume of solvent, Va is for the molecular volume of solute, that is in centimeter cube per gram mole. And summation of Va is nothing but sum of structural volume increments. Next, now we will see empirical relations for diffusivity in liquid. In previous slides, we have seen diffusivity in gases. Now we will see diffusivity in liquids. So first relation for this is the Wilke-Chang relation. So according to this relation, diffusivity of component A into B is represented by DAB naught. That is equal to 117.3 into 10 raised to minus 18 into 5 into Mb raised to 1 by 2 into T upon mu B Va raised to 0.6. So I told you DAB naught is nothing but diffusivity of component A into B. A is, so I can say here diffusivity of A in a very dilute solution in solvent B, that is meter square per second. See here unit is meter square per second. But in previous relation, unit was centimeter square per second. So always remember, be careful about unit. Second, Mb is molecular weight of solvent and unit is kg per kilomole. T is absolute temperature, that is unit is K. And mu is viscosity of solution, that is, it is a dynamic viscosity. Remember, dynamic, and there are two types of viscosity. One is dynamic and another is kinematic viscosity. So it is dynamic viscosity and unit is kg per meter second. Va is nothing but solute molar volume at normal boiling temperature and unit is meter cube per kilomole. And last is phi, that is association factor for solvent. Remember, it's association factor for solvent, not solute, because all these fundamental units and fundamental properties are important for your numerical. So always remember phi. What is phi? That is association factor for solvent. What is a Va? Va means molar volume for the solute and Vb is for the solvent. Similarly, Ma for the solute, Mb for solvent. DAB, in this relation, DAB it in the meter square per second. In previous relation, DAB in centimeter square per second. Next, and very important relation, that is temperature dependency of diffusivity. Means what is relation of DAB, that is the diffusivity of component A into B, with temperature and viscosity? So we will see that is the DAB is directly proportional to temperature and inversely proportional to mu. What is mu? That is the dynamic viscosity. Means I can say diffusivity of component A at temperature T1, that is a DAB T1, and diffusivity of component A in B at temperature T2, that is represented by DAB T2. Now I can say DAB is directly proportional to temperature and DAB is inversely proportional to dynamic viscosity. Hence we can say for the mixture or at to different temperature, the ratio of diffusivity of component A into B at temperature T1 to the diffusivity of component A into B at temperature T2 is equal to T1 by mu1, that is a ratio of temperature to the dynamic viscosity for component 1 to the T2 by mu2, that is for component 2, is equal to T1 by mu1 into mu2 by T2. So I can calculate diffusivity of component A into B at any temperature. For example, I need to calculate, or I want to calculate diffusivity of component A into B at T1, that is equal to DAB T2 into T1 mu1 into mu2 by T2. Or I can say how to calculate here DAB at temperature 2 means T2, that is DAB T1 divided by T1 mu1 into mu2 T2.
So what we have seen in today's lecture, that diffusivity in gases, that is pressure dependency of diffusivity, is given by DAB direct inversely proportional to the pressure, and temperature dependency is directly proportional to the T raised to 3 by 2. So we have seen diffusivity in gases in today's lecture. After that, we have seen this D1 mixture, this relation for the mixture, that D1 mixture is equal to 1 upon Y2 dash upon D12. D12 means diffusivity of component 1 into 2 plus Y3 dash divided by diffusivity of component 1 into 3. Similarly, up to the nth component, that is yn dash divided by D1n, means diffusivity of component 1 in n components. Okay, so we have seen this relation. This relation is important while solving numericals. After that, we have seen this Gilliland's relation. Okay, so read this equation properly. Based on this, numerical can be asked. Okay, just be careful about Ma and Mb. Ma and Mb are the molecular weight of solute and solvent respectively. Okay, and we remember that diffusivity of component A into B, unit for this is centimeter square per second. Okay, so unit should be like this, because this is a standard unit, and while solving numerical you have to convert the convert unit in this form, and pressure should be in atm. Okay, unit should be this. So don't go for meter square per second and like that, because this is an experimental equation and unit remains same for this. After that, this is a Fuller equation. Read this properly as well. After that, this Wilczek equation. Okay, so all these equations are important. On this equation, 4 marks question can be asked. So for that, these relations are important, and for numericals also important, because based on direct formula, 4 marks question can be asked on all these equations, and 4 marks or 5 marks question can be asked like this. Explain in detail temperature dependency of diffusivity, that is a DAB. Means you have to write this equation. DAB is directly proportional to temperature and inversely proportional to the viscosity. Means here you are getting relation between viscosity, temperature, and diffusivity of component A into B. Okay, so what is this? That DAB at temperature T1, DAB at temperature T2. Ratio of this is directly proportional to the T1 by mu1, T2 by mu2 is equal to T1 by mu1, mu2 by T2, like this. So if you know diffusivity of component at any temperature, you can find the diffusivity at other temperature. Means if I know the temperature diffusivity at T1, I can find diffusivity at T2. That's all for this lecture. Thank you.